Welcome everyone to Carol's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom on this large 12 by 12 canvas with some blues, oranges, and pinks. And I'm trying to use up my leftover paints, so some of the colors are mixed together. This is Cerulean Blue by Winsor & Newton. I'm going to put this one down first. All right, so now I think I'll put the orange. This is some vermilion by JoSonja and some gold mixed together. There we go. I'll put some green. Should I do the green on the top? If I do green on top, it means it'll be around the outside, so maybe I'll do that. This is some Amsterdam Persian Rose and some PBO Vivid Pink. I'll just add the rest of my Athenia to it, just to get rid of it, make it a bit shiny. I don't know whether I should have put the pink and orange together. This is Phthalo Blue by Sheleeart Premium. And okay, that's that. And I'll put the green on top. This is a mixture of a couple of different greens. I'm not sure. One is Winsor & Newton. And one is Yellow Green by Amsterdam. It's a pretty green. Okay. Let me use my mini blower. I'll just use this. I think I'll use the white and black again. I did white and black on an earlier one and it turned out really nice. It double cells. Give it a good stir before I use it. All right. That's pretty. I like how I got blocks of color, like a block of pink, a block of blue, green, orange, green. Excuse me. I'm gonna, this white was Sherwin-Williams color to go. Satin white, extra white. I'm gonna do okay, let's give it a spin. Green and the blue look so awesome together. Pardon my voice today, I'm just getting over COVID. And I still have a bit of a stuffiness in me. This color to go is a little thicker than I'm used to. So it takes longer to spin out. Okay, I'm gonna cover up the side. That's so pretty. See if it's moving much. It's still moving in the middle there. Just gonna... I don't tape my canvas down. I find it stays pretty good if it's a bit of paint underneath. And once it goes over the side, it doesn't move. There. Well, it looks like leaves. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I think this is good now. There, thanks for watching this one, and have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll show you the dried result at the end of the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Here's my blue and green and pink bloom. Look how pretty that is. It's drying awesome. Those crisp cells are gorgeous. I love the blue and the green together too. Very pretty. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.